Hi, I'm Manny, and I'm a student here at Vanguard for Digital Video Productions. And today, I'd like to have the opportunity to show you all the amazing things we do here. With the career articulation, you can earn college credits through taking Digital Video 1 through Digital Video 3, just as long as you pass the industry certification. By taking digital video, you become eligible to receive the Florida Gold Seal Vocational Scholarship, and that's a great way to receive free college tuition.